Changing your thoughts. Is it possible to change your thoughts? Studies have shown that you can rewire your brain by actively thinking positive thoughts and focusing your attention on good things in life. Here are some of the steps to begin changing your thoughts. Practice mindfulness. In order to adopt more positive thinking patterns, you must first become aware of your current ways of thinking. Address your inner critic. Know your triggers. Write it out. Recite a mantra. Change your surroundings. Now, reflect on these things and start by doing them one day at a time.